it's an addition to our saw range. We currently have a 50mm saw, a 70mm saw, and now we have an 80mm saw. Lots of great features on the saw itself, not least of which is the height adjustment. If you watch the speed of that, top to bottom in a couple of turns. Our other saw tables, you're cranking them up and winding them up and down. A simple one like that. Also the angles, really easy to set the angles. Squeeze and turn, squeeze and move. Really simple angle adjustment. It can give a splinter-free cut on both sides on something like an MFC as well. And the reason they've launched it is 4 years ago, Festool acquired a company called StopSaw Inc., which is an American corporation, and they make this device called StopSaw. If you know anything about American machines or you watch YouTube videos, how many American woodworkers have a riving knife or a gargon? Very few. You do wonder how they get away with it. In Europe, none of the American machines are for sale for the most part, because they really don't conform to a lot of European regulations. So therefore, as Festool, we already make saw tables, so we incorporated the StopSaw technology into the machine. Because every year in Germany, roughly 4,000 people a year suffer a life-changing injury. And that's a finger, a thumb, a hand, even worse. How many people here know somebody who's lost a digit? I think somebody already showed me the wound earlier. Yeah. When I started with Festool 21 years ago, my wife got quite worried after about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because every joiner's shop I was visiting with a router or a saw had somebody who was doing that. How you doing? You know, digits missing. So obviously you guys have to be careful. What's the other machine that would be quite dangerous in your workshop besides the saw table? There's a big one. Router, spindle molder particularly. Routers can be quite dangerous. So yeah, you guys work in a dangerous environment. So what happens if you lose your finger, besides losing your finger? You get it in the neck from the wife and the family. You're not earning, you're self-employed, you're going to lose money. So having something like this, we hope, will be a big benefit. The way the machine works, it basically works on a signal, on an electronic circuit around the blade. What do you think it works on? What sets it off, do you think? If I put my finger near there, what's going to stop it? What's going to make it stop? Breaking the circuit, yeah, but? Moisture on the nose. Why moisture? Moisture is conductive. So basically, when I do the test, if I just pushed a piece of steak through there, it wouldn't go off. If I push that through with a push stick. If I put my hand on it, it will go off. And the reason for that is, it measures the length of time it takes the signal to travel. So, a piece of steak's that big, I'm this big. So it measures that distance, it realises there's a mass behind it, therefore we're going to turn it off. Yeah? Any questions about that? Is that sort of clearish? Okay, when we do the demonstration, the machine is going to make a big loud bang, so be prepared. It makes a noise. So here I am with my thumb. I'm going to switch it on. But I'm not going to do that. We have a substitute. Look at it that way. Okay, so we have a sausage. You've got your cameras ready. Okay. So again, another check just to make sure it's working. Yeah, it's fine. So we're off. 3, 2, 1, we're off. Ready, sir? So which end shall I start? Would you like to inspect the sausage? Nothing is touched that sausage.